Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can do the front and rear tow eye on a Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. So you have to go to the boot of the car and you have to lift up this part here, and the towing eye is located just here. So we're going to take it out. So on the rear of the car it's located just here on the right hand side. You just need to push in at the bottom and it pops out at the top here, and then you can just nice and gently take it out, and this is where you're going to screw in the towing eye, and it screws all the way in until it doesn't go anymore. There we go, so that's screwed in as far as it can be, and then when you're finished with it you just need to unscrew it. And then when you're finished with it you just need to put the bottom bit in first, keeping in mind that we have two side bits here as well. So bottom bit goes in, put it in nice and straight so the two side bits go in, and just clip it shut like that. Let's do the one out the front. Now on the front it's located just on the left hand side. It's the same thing again, you push in here and this should pop out, but on this car it's stuck. So we're just going to use a little plastic pry tool while putting pressure on the left there just to open it up. And there you go, you can see it pops out again, and we're just going to screw the eye in. Again until it stops. There you go, and again when you're finished you just unscrew it, so you're going counterclockwise to unscrew. Front and back is counterclockwise to unscrew, clockwise to screw. And with the blanking plug here, again you put this side in first, again watch these top and bottom bits, and it just clips back in, just like that. And then you just need to stow away your towing eye again in case you need it again in the future. Thanks for watching.